Yes. Buenas.
Sir, you're charged with criminal trespass.
Traspasando criminalmente.
You were on bond for a criminal trespass. You picked up a new criminal trespass.
Y obtuvo otro nuevo delito de traspasando criminalmente.
Would you hear PC?
Okay.
Well, first I was approached on the new one.
Here we go again, another criminal trespass, while already on bond for, you guessed it, criminal trespass. This guy is playing legal Jenga with his freedom, and the tower's wobbling.
Which is kind of the same issue as the first one, but I just
Okay, so Mr. Vasquez Correa, you're charged with criminal trespass. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you. Please.
On February 26, 2025, at 10:18 p.m., an officer on view multiple trespassers at a business in Harris County, Texas. The officer observed the defendant and multiple others leaning against the front of the business window by the front door. The defendant provided information, and a person check found the defendant to have been arrested from the same location on September 6, 2024. The complainant, the owner of the business, has a trespass affidavit.
This is key. The business had a trespass affidavit on file. That means legally, the defendant's been warned. Go back, and it's a guaranteed arrest. No gray area here, just red tape and flashing lights.
On file, the defendant was identified with his Honduras passport.
Okay.
the only issue is that trespass affidavit. There's nothing filed on that. I don't have a copy of it. It's not a
Wait,
exhibit.
You don't need a copy of it. He needs to just to know that it exists. And he's been arrested there before.
Right.
I mean, I think that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. Mr. Vasquez, every time you go back to this location, you will probably be arrested over and over. There are plenty of other places for you to go to. You can talk to your lawyer and we can find a place for you to go to. But here, at this what is this location, please?
Convenience store, Judge.
Es una tienda.
Let me double check.
They don't want you
This is the judge doing the most patient version of "Don't make me say it." Again, she's basically begging this guy to pick literally anywhere else to hang out.
there.
No lo quieren ahí en esa.
Don't go back.
No regrese.
You will continue to get arrested.
No, te van a continuar de arrestar.
Do you understand?
¿Usted entiende? ¿Entiende? Conteste. ¿Entiende?
Sí.
Yes.
What did I just say?
¿Qué le dije? ¿Qué es lo que le dije? Repite.
Sí, que no volver a entrar a la tienda.
To not go into the store.
No.
¿Qué te va a pasar?
What's going to happen? I'm a good interpreter. I'd interpret.
Se lo dice porque fui a comprar una pastilla aspirinita.
I went to go buy some
Se me
aspirin.
fue el corazón.
No hables de
No.
eso. No hables de eso.
No,
Don't
no,
go back.
Yeah.
no regrese.
Yeah.
Anywhere else.
En cualquier otro
Not
lugar.
this place.
¿El lugar?
Okay.
Judge, I was trying to approach because he's got the older case.
Yeah. I'll just raise it up by $1.
Raise it by $1.
Okay. So for now,
Por ahorita.
I will have you go talk with your lawyer so we can figure out how things are going to go. All I'm asking you to do is please don't go back to this convenience store. Find.
For your information, I have it listed as a Salvadorian restaurant.
Un restaurante salvadoreño.
But that's what comes up on Google Maps. There is a grocery supermarket located directly next to it.
Maybe perhaps that's it.
Enseguida, tal vez.
Okay. All right. Good luck, sir.
Mucha buena suerte, señor.
Thank you.
Of course.
Thank you.
All right, thank you, Judge.
Covering for Eric Clay. He's
Okay.
in a jury. I have Mr. Mendoza in the jury box.
That's Mr. Lim.
Page
Did
19.
you just bond out or something?
Judge, he was sent to a rapid test, I guess, from the note that I have from
Oh,
him.
that's right.
And when he came back on Friday, the court was closed, so he returned today.
Yes, Judge, we rolled him from his court-ordered drug test on Friday. It came back presumptively for THC. And then regarding the drug test history we have, he was originally put under our supervision on October 10th of 2024. He tested positive THC then. We gave him a court reset to allow for time for dissipation. He tested again on the 21st of November,
Right,
2024.
but this is a whole case, so I'm not taking any of that into account.
Yes,
So,
Judge.
right, so come up, Mr. Mendoza. So,
45 to 50 days until your next drug test. That's not a suggestion. That's a countdown. And if he pops positive again, let's just say orange will be his new favorite color.
yeah, that I remember, but that's all
That's right.
like history, as they say. No more. I will test you 45 to 50 days from today. If I find that you test positive again, it's not going to go well for you. Do you understand? You're not to use alcohol. You're not to use illegal drugs. I think we ordered him not to drive as well, right? He didn't have a license?
No idea about that. Do you have a driver's license?
Working on it right now.
So
He doesn't.
you're not allowed to drive as well. You're not to possess your weapons. If I find a case violate any of these conditions, you know what happens. Okay?
Judge, and he
Great.
needs that amendment to curfew.
Tell me.
He has a curfew from 9 to 6, I guess, but he's saying that he gets home around 11 p.m.
Well, if I could get it set to like 12, or I could get like at least an hour from work to home, because I work all the way in downtown, and usually the latest I leave is 11. I have proof of schedule and everything. I already
Okay.
sent it to my
Show it to Fleischer, and then we can work with you. But if I find that you pick up a new case, if you're out other than working, the only reason you can be out is for work. So I'm not giving you on the weekend. Do you understand?
Gotcha.
I don't want, and on the weekend, he's got regular curfew.
I work right now my schedule's looking from Thursday to Sunday.
What do you do?
I work at a restaurant at the Pit Room in downtown.
What's it called?
The Pit Room.
Okay. So on the days you're not working, curfew stands. On the days you work, then, but I don't want you out past this.
Understood.
You understand?
So from like when my days
So
off.
if your work ends at 11, you know, how far do you live from the restaurant?
I want to say like 30 to 40 minutes from my work, from my job.
So what time do you get home normally?
It's because there's never a set time. Like, it usually just when, on average, I want to say like 10:50, almost 11.
Did you get home at that time?
Around there usually if I do everything I'm supposed to, but if it's busier than usual, usually latest I've gotten out was 11.
Okay, then that's it. All right. Okay.
11 to 6. When do you have to leave home?
I mean, if he's working that late, they usually go in later on. You know what I mean?
Yes, Judge.
He's not working at 7 in the
Just want to
morning.
make sure that he's clear about the time that he can leave.
We on him.
in Guyana. I understand that he's set for arraignment, Judge. I've also talked to pretrial. They said that he tested positive for marijuana.
Come up, Mr. Angriano. So one case is 190 days old, Mr. D.
Yes, sir.
The other case is 116 days old. So both of them are reckless driving. Probable cause has been found on both. I've ordered you not to drive. I've ordered you not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs, and I'm going to test you again in 45 to 50 days. If I find that you continue to smoke, then you will end up staying with me. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
We pick up a new case, I'm going to go absolutely bonkers on your bond. If you fail to stay in contact with the lawyer that we give you, likewise on your bond. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So, do you have offers on these cases? If
I
not,
do not believe we have offers on them at this time.
can you please put them on?
Yes,
I'm going to give you guys 30 days. You must be back at that time to determine what you want to
Get ready, this next exchange is raw. This isn't legalese, it's heartbreak. The consequences of addiction and custody battles unfold right in front of us.
do with these cases. You must accept a plea bargain from the state, or I will set your cases for trial. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Morning, Mr. Wyckoff. The only thing I ever wanted from you is just to be clean. That's all I ever wanted. I didn't want this back and forth into custody, back and forth and this and that. The only thing I wanted from you, I promise you, is to be clean. Had that happened, who knows whether we would be in this mess now. That's all I wanted, man.
And I done lost my job because of you. I done lost plenty of stuff because of you.
Because of me.
Yes, because of you.
My fault? Really?
So come on.
The felony case that you picked up upstairs, is that my fault too?
Nah, it ain't your fault. That's me right there. But coming 2 times a week.
All I wanted, Mr. Wyckoff, just be clean. That's it. You're charged with assault, bodily injury. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You've worked out an agreement where they're offering you 30 days in jail with credit for the 13 that you've done. You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal.
Turning point, the defendant's bouncing between not guilty and guilty like it's a ping pong match. The judge is done. And honestly, so are we.
Once you accept this agreement, there's no turning back. How do you plead to the offensive assault, Mr. Wyckoff?
Not guilty.
Okay, then we will go to trial. I'm not accepting this plea bargain agreement. We will go to trial.
Oh, guilty then. Guilty.
I'm not playing a game with you, man. You know, you've been playing games since day one, man. I'm not playing this game with you.
Are you guilty, Mr. Wyckoff?
Yeah.
Are you really guilty?
She said I was guilty.
Your attitude is such that if it doesn't change, you're never going to get anywhere, Mr. Wyckoff. Sucks. All I want is you to leave better than you came. That's what we all aspire here to do. Attitude has a big thing to do with it. Some people just can't get through to. And I guess that's okay. All right. I'll accept the plea. I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to send you to 30 days in jail. I will give you credit for the 13 days that you've done. All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Joseph.
You're welcome.